Guys, ang ganda nitong verse na to, and this verse explains how our character is being revealed through pain. Not only that, but we rejoice in our sufferings, knowing that suffering produces endurance, and endurance produces character, and character produces hope, and hope does not put us to shame. There was this year in our lives na sabay-sabay yung namatay sa family namin, 4 yung namatay, and it was really a time of grieving for us. But we didn't let that affect the way we treat people, the way we treat the society, or even the church. We understand that there are rejections in life, we understand that there are grieving, but it's never an excuse for us to have a bad response towards other people. Kaya ang ginagawa natin, we lift it up to God. So gamitin natin yung sakit na yan na ma-develop pa yung character natin. And that will affect other people as well.